workshop is important because many people don't talk in English very well. You can actually learn how to talk in English better. If you really want people to recognize you as someone who knows how to talk in English, you have to learn how to talk in English better. So I think this class is important for you to know how to talk in English fluently. So in our model, we try to reproduce how people could learn differently.
And in my model, we get some things in our school and we put in just one place. In this kind of activity, we learn more because we learn how to teamwork with the other classmates.
Last project that we did was the model. We wanted to put together everything that we learned in these 2 months that we had the classes. Then after all that, we presented this project to the 5th grade, and then we received the certificate of the workshop.